This is a question of set Q1. This is the first question of set theory. Let me introduce you to the chapter set theory. What is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. This is the most basic definition I can think of about set. Let's study the question. Let if any new term arises, I will explain you that. Then you may start attempting the question, because I have not made any theory video on set, so I must do that. Let A be a set which consists of three elements. Each this is an element. This is an element. This is an element. This is an element 1, 2. This is an element 3, 4. This is an element 5. Nice. Now let's see the first statement. 3, 4 does not belong to A as 3, 4 does not belong to A as, and the most important thing is which of the following is incorrect. It's not telling which of the following is correct. It's telling which of the following is incorrect. Incorrect, then 3, 4 does not belong to A, right? Because this is an element of A. I told this is an element of A. This is not an element of A. This means does not belongs to. Let me write this here. Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. It remains does not belong to. Sorry, a phone call came. Then option A is correct, but then the answer can't be option A. Let's see option B. It states 5 and 3, 4 are subsets of A but not elements of A. What is subset? A set which has elements which belongs to A. Yes, this is a subset of A, but this is not element of A because it's a different set. A set of A is not a set of set. A is a set of some ordered pairs and a single number. Then A is not a set of set, so this statement is also correct, and hence B can't be the option. Let's check option C. 1, 2 and 5 are subsets of A. Again same thing, same condition, and it's also correct. C also can't be the option, and answer is option D, but let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the main set. The set A is a subset of A because here is given subset. If it's told proper subset instead of subset, then this statement would have been wrong. Sorry, this is again correct. This is wrong. Sorry, I have made a mistake. This is wrong. This is wrong. This statement is wrong. That is correct. The term C is also no problem. This is option C, and this statement is wrong. Sorry, this is wrong. These are not subsets of A. This is not a subset of A because this is not an element of A. It is a different set. 1, 2 is not a subset of A. Then option C is incorrect. Hence answer is option C. Let's recapitulate how I have done that. Set A is given. This is a set A. Now we have checked the options. This is does not be. This is the correct option. This is again correct. This is wrong, and this is again correct. Then option is C is the right answer. Thank you.